G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. The time is 6 to 10 in the morning. Now before heading down to the lake and then down to the surf beach, so I have a quick capture of this one having a bit of tucker and its friend. I do hope you like this video, and if so, please subscribe. Now that's zoomed in halfway from where I'm standing at the moment. Now, I think the one close to me has a slightly brighter red than the other one does. I've got the ground pigeons just coming in. Oh, well, I'll let them feed. I'm going to head off down to the lake. Quite nice today. Supposed to be a nice sunny day today, and tomorrow is supposed to be another sunny day as well. Yeah, oh yeah, the other one is darker. Even though it's in shape, it's still a bit darker, the colours. Oh well, I'm going to head off. I'll let them feed in peace. No. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.